If you noticed, when you open a picture and press the three dots in the upper right corner of a picture on your iPhone, you get the option to hide it. You can even hide multiple pictures by pressing select and checking multiple ones. Then press the three dots in the down left corner and select to hide. Normally, they go into the hidden folder, which can be accessed by scrolling down in your Photos app. But what if you don't have the folder? Or better, how to make it disappear for good and make it appear whenever you want. To do that, go to Settings, scroll all the way down to Apps, find the Photos app, and here you will find the toggle Show Hidden Album. Turn it on and your hidden photos are visible in your Photos app. Turn it off and they disappear from your Photos app. This is how you can hide the folder for good. Also, you can protect the hidden folder with Face ID. That way, only your face can open it. I hope this video helps.